Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best-smelling laundry detergents that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something plant-based, ultra-concentrated, or with a vibrant scent boost, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Ensueño Liquid Laundry Detergent in the Spring Fresh scent. This detergent boasts a powerful 3-in-1 formula that combines deep cleaning, stain-fighting power, and color preservation technology. It's ideal for large households or businesses, as its 100 fleet-ounce bottle can wash up to 65 loads. The Spring Fresh scent, with soft jasmine and sandalwood notes, adds a clean, invigorating fragrance to your laundry routine. Design-wise, the Ensueño detergent is packaged in a large, durable bottle that's easy to grip and pour. It's biodegradable and compatible with both standard and high-efficiency washing machines, making it a versatile choice for eco-conscious users. However, its size may be less convenient for those with limited storage space. While the detergent offers reliable performance for large loads, some users have reported that its scent, while pleasant, doesn't linger as long as expected on clothing. It's a solid option for those who prioritize color preservation and a fresh, clean fragrance. Pros include its eco-friendliness and stain-fighting capabilities, while the cons are its bulky packaging and less long-lasting scent. Overall, it's a great choice for families or offices with frequent laundry needs. At number 3, we have the Indigo Wild Zum Clean Laundry Soap in the Amber scent. This plant-based liquid laundry soap is crafted with natural ingredients like baking soda, essential oils, and saponified coconut oil. It's designed to be gentle on sensitive skin while offering deep cleaning for up to 64 loads in high-efficiency machines. The Amber scent combines grounding notes of vetiver and patchouli with lavender, cedar, and bergamot for a complex, sultry fragrance. The design and build quality of the Zum Clean Laundry Soap stand out with its eco-conscious construction. The bottle is sturdy and easy to pour, and the natural formulation is cruelty-free and vegetarian, making it a great choice for ethically minded shoppers. However, its low sudsing formula may require a bit of adjustment for users accustomed to more sudsy detergents. Performance-wise, Zum Clean does an excellent job of cleaning and freshening clothes, though its scent may be too bold for some users. Pros include its plant-based ingredients, cruelty-free certification, and unique fragrance blend, while cons are its slightly higher price point and bold scent that may not suit everyone. It's ideal for eco-conscious individuals or anyone looking for a detergent that combines effective cleaning with a premium natural fragrance. Coming in at number 2 is the Gain Plus Aroma Boost Liquid Laundry Detergent in the Moonlight Breeze scent. This whopping 154 fluid-ounce bottle is designed for up to 107 loads, combining the cleaning power of Oxy Boost with the odor removal properties of Febreze. The Moonlight Breeze scent evokes a sultry summer evening, offering a luxurious aroma that lasts up to 6 weeks from wash to wear. The design of the Gain detergent is practical and user-friendly, with a sturdy handle for easy pouring. It's compatible with both regular and high-efficiency washers and works effectively even in cold water. However, its large size may be cumbersome for smaller households or tight storage spaces. Gain excels in cleaning performance, tackling tough dirt and odors with ease. The scent is a major highlight, but some users may find it overpowering if they prefer subtler fragrances. Pros include its long-lasting scent, powerful cleaning capabilities, and large capacity, while cons are its bulky size and strong scent profile. It's perfect for families or those who love bold, vibrant fragrances in their laundry. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.